Now let's talk about how to solve word problems that involve the formula number equals the difference divided by the times bigger minus 1. Bob and Alice have 35 pumpkin pies altogether. Bob and Catherine have 55 pumpkin pies altogether. If Catherine has 3 times as many pumpkin pies as Alice, how many pumpkin pies does Alice have? Now, if we know that Bob has a fixed number of pumpkin pies, and Bob and Alice together have 35 pies, and Bob and Catherine together have 55 pies, the difference between these two numbers should be the difference between Catherine and Alice's pies. So let's take our 55 pies that Bob and Catherine have, subtract the 35 pies that Bob and Alice have, and we'll find that the difference between Catherine and Alice's number of pies is 20. Now, if we know that Catherine has 3 times as many pumpkin pies as Alice, and we want to know how many pumpkin pies does Alice have, we're going to know that whatever number Alice has, if we add it to 20, we'll have a number that is 3 times as big as the number that Alice has. So this is how we can use our formula. The number is going to equal the difference between those two numbers, which is our 20, divided by the number of times bigger, which is 3, minus 1. So let's set up our formula. The number we're looking for is equal to 20, which is the difference, divided by the number of times bigger, which is 3, minus 1. This is equal to 20 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, which is equal to 10. So, how many pumpkin pies does Alice have? Alice has 10 pumpkin pies. That makes sense because if Alice has 10 pumpkin pies, and then we add the number more pies that Catherine has, which was 20, that would mean that Catherine has 30 pies, which is 3 times as big as Alice's 10 pies.